Okay, so in this video I will show you how you install the CrossPoint Reader firmware on your XTEINK X4. So let's go to my table cam first. So here we have my iPhone Air that has this device perfectly fine on the back without any justifications or so on. It fits perfectly fine on the iPhone Air. I love that. And okay, here we have my XTEINK X4, and to be able to install a firmware on this, we just need to go to a specific website in a browser like Chrome. And before we do that, we need to start this, so it is in sleep mode. You need to have it like this to install CrossPoint Reader. By the way, I already have CrossPoint Reader installed, but anyway, I will show you how you do that in this video. So let's go to my desktop cam and go to that specific website. We go into Chrome here. Now you see my web browser, and that it's Chrome. And here we have that. The website that you should go to. This website comes with the XTEINK X4 in the quick start guide. So you will find that there. And it's very easy to follow all this. So now when you have gone to this site, I will have a link down below in the description text to it also. Then you need to plug in your XTEINK X4. So let's go back to my desktop cam, table cam I mean. So now we plug in this to a computer that runs that website. So by pushing in the USB-C cable here, and the other end is into my computer. So now we have connected this. Then we go back to the desktop cam and this website. And as you see here, you should always do a backup of your firmware first. So your original firmware should be backed up. So now when you have done that, you can install either the original firmware here or the latest version of CrossPoint firmware, as you see here. It's always the latest firmware that it links to here. So if we now just click on this, a window opens here, and in that window you should have your XTEINK X4 that is connected. Just click on that and then click connect. Now it connects, as you see, validate partition table, download firmware, read OTA partition, and now it starts writing the CrossPoint Reader firmware to your XTEINK X4. Sometimes it can take up to 5 minutes or so, depending on your connection to this website and your own internet connection speed and so on. Usually just 2 minutes or so for me at least. So you see now it's done, and now it's already ready. So now you should disconnect the cable and then reset your device. So now we go back to my table cam. Here we have it. So now I should just disconnect the cable, and we have a little reset button here. You should click on that, and immediately after click on the power button. So we click on that like so, and then hold this. Now it reboots with that specific firmware. This is the original CrossPoint firmware 1.2.0 version, and now I have that installed on this. That is how easy it is to install a firmware, specifically CrossPoint firmware on this. It's very easy, so I hope you can manage to do that now, because the CrossPoint firmware is awesome actually. Okay, bye.